You will only know your way once you start moving and taking action. Once you take that first step, that's how you will be guided toward the next and the next and the next. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another amazing video for all of you. In this video, we are gonna talk about why it is important to be consistent and do the hard things. I recently heard this story where it was mentioned like when you're working on something, there will be challenge that will come along your way. The only thing that is going to define either you will be successful or you will quit is how much you're willing to put in the work and just be consistent with your action. Because when things get hard, at that time, it is so easy to quit, it is so easy to give up. But the only difference between people who make it till the end is they don't quit. This is so simple, but this is the most difficult thing, especially when you're faced with a lot of challenges. Also, what I have seen along my journey is at times there are a lot of things that you're going through. There are a lot of things that you will be bombarded with, but you have to differentiate what really matters to you. The energy you're putting into, is it worth your time and energy? Or else you just have to let it be. Because at time the best thing to do is not to do anything. The harder you try, you will see that you're just getting caught up in that moment. Better just leave it, give it a space so that things can unfold for you. Also, the second most important thing what I have found is, I have also shot a video on this where I have mentioned not to rely on motivation, because motivation is temporary. If you are just relying on external or internal motivation, it will be hard for you to perform, because there are days in my life also when I'm not motivated. Even the day I'm recording, I was going through a lot of highs and lows. But if I rely on my moods, if I rely on the motivation, I won't be able to take any action with that matter. But on the other side, if I rely on my commitment, my values, and what really matter to me, that's how I will be able to show up. Because sometimes when you're faced with so much of criticism, you feel like giving up. But that is a crucial time when you have to stay strong, because there will be always criticism, there will be always difference of opinion from closest of your people. But I think you have to rely on your own self-confidence at that point of time. Like, no matter what other people are saying, you will do what is needed. I feel at that point of time, it is so important to have a strong connection with yourself. You know what I have realized is, this self-help journey is so powerful. The more deeper you dive into it, you will see that you're becoming closer to yourself. The more close relation you have with yourself, the external voice will not affect you. It can bother you for a moment, but it will not last for longer time. And that is the practice which we all have to work upon. The more time you spend with yourself, the more you understand yourself, you will see that you are not just defined by the criticism or hate you are receiving. Also, the third important aspect over here is, there is always pain of growing up, because when you're growing, there is lot of responsibility that comes your way. And in my understanding, responsibility always makes you uncomfortable. It is painful. But understand one thing, without responsibility, you won't be here where you are today. The more responsible you become, the better your actions become. So never be afraid of responsibility. And you're hearing this from someone who is herself little bit afraid of the responsibility. But as I'm growing older, I realize responsibility is not something to be afraid of. It helps you become the better person. So never be afraid of responsibility, because responsibility is also a sign that you are moving forward. Let me give an example over here. You know, if you're doing a job, internship is the safest place to be in any office, because you are not given lot of responsibility. Whereas if you are a CEO of a company or in a higher post, you will see that you have a different kind of a pressure and different kind of a responsibility. But the perks, the incentives are also greater for people who hold that responsibility. Similarly, in your life also, you will see that responsibility is a sign of growing up. The more responsibility you have, that will help you to transform and become your better version. Similarly, in your family also, if you see, I think the parents are the one who have the highest level of responsibility. Entire family is dependent on them. When you see a toddler, they don't have any responsibility. They are just chilling in their life. So this is a great example like how responsibility is needed, and it comes as you grow and as you move forward in your journey. But also you will see the wisest person in family is our parents, because they have that sense of responsibility. So I feel responsibility is not a bad thing. It's like how you take it. Moving forward, what I really realized from this journey is, yes, there can be days when you question everything. There can be days where you feel lost. I think it's okay to feel all the feelings that you're going through, but don't be defined with that feeling. Because if you define yourself with that feeling, that means you're limiting your growth. The best thing you can do at that point of time is let those feelings come in, let those thoughts come in. Just observe. Just the way we don't question happy and joyful moment, don't even question your low moment, because this is part and parcel of life. That's how actually a life goes. If you're always in high, you will just crash badly. That's why there is moderation and mood swings, so that you get to experience everything. If you're just in a high energy all the time, you will not feel grounded and you will just feel as if you're living in other world. For you to be grounded, it's important that you experience all the emotion. All the things are designed in our life for a reason. So don't question anything. Let the time and moment pass, because everything is temporary, nothing is permanent. Even the hard days you're going through will go away. But please don't rely just on that motivation to come in to take action, because if you wait for motivation, you will wait forever in your life. Just keep taking action, because the more action you take, that's how you will move forward in your journey. There is no other way around. If I just keep waiting for motivation to kick in, if I just wait for right time so that I can take action, I think I would not have been here. I see myself that I want to go a long way, but if I just give up based on like motivation or external factor, I think I won't be able to be where I really want to be. And this is for each one of you out there who is literally going through this phase where you are feeling you don't know where you're headed. You will only know your way once you start moving and taking action. Once you take that first step, that's how you will be guided toward the next and the next and the next. And you will see that slowly and gradually you're closer to your destination. But that will not happen unless you take that first step. So it is important that you take that first step. As you move along the journey, get better, because practice makes person better, right? That's what we have heard since we were a child, and that's so true. When I show up here, I know I have lot of flaws. I know these videos are not perfect, the way I perform might not be perfect, but it doesn't really matter. As long as I'm doing and I'm taking this action, I think eventually I will be there where this all thing will look so good and professional. But until then, it's a journey for me too. Similarly, it will be journey for you also. No one becomes perfect when they start. Eventually, as you keep on taking action, that's how you master any skill and art. So in conclusion, I want to say each one of you out there, don't wait for perfection and to be a master. The more consistent you are with your action, that's how you will become better at doing whatever you want to do. I hope this video was helpful to you some way or the other. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and be part of this tribe. Your presence truly matters and it means the world to me. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Sending away lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye bye.